Alright, cold start. I haven't started this car for like, I don't know, like since Friday, and today is Monday, so this is gonna be awesome. Super loud, super loud. Alright, so today we have to, I don't know, we have to go to wash the car, try to see if I can put the test pipes on, and I will think about something else later. There you go. Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Well, today has been really bad, so it's like my plan for today was to at least so this is one thing that I wanted to do. I wanted to change this. I don't know if you can see how it looks. I wanted to change this today, but I thought that if I went to like O'Reilly's or AutoZone, I could get like the black tape trim for it, but they didn't sell it, so I couldn't do that. Another thing I wanted to do was to tint the windows. So here, I wanted to tint the windows, but I couldn't do it because the place was closed today. So I don't know. Tell me if I should do it myself or just pay to do it. But yeah, that was one of the reasons why I didn't do it today. Dang, it's so cold. I'm doing all this for you guys. Another thing I wanted to do is install the test pipes. I've been having the test pipes for like probably like, oh my god, it's so cold. For like before I bought the car, so it has been here for a while now, and I'm tired of looking at it. I wanted to do something new to the car. I wanted to work on the car today, and it makes me mad that I have had this for so long and I haven't done anything yet to it. So it's like, it's just messing me up. So those are the three things that I wanted to do today. Also wash the car, but I can't wash it because it's about to snow today. It's super cold, but I wanted to wash it, so I couldn't do that either. So what am I gonna do now is talk about what bumpers should I get for this car, because I'm planning to buy some bumpers for this car soon, but I'm not sure which ones. Oh my god, I'm not sure which one to buy yet. So the first option is the Amuse bumper. The Amuse bumper is a lot expensive, but it looks super nice. I'm gonna put a picture somewhere so you can see it. I know you know how it looks, so I'm still gonna put it for you guys that haven't seen it yet. So, oh my god, it's so fucking cool. So it's the Amuse bumper or the Nissan bumper. It's either one of those two. So I want to make this video for you guys to let me know which bumpers will be best. So I need you to comment below and tell me what you think about it. I'm gonna put the picture so you can see the difference. The Amuse bumpers is a lot expensive. I don't want to go with those because if I buy those, I have to put I have to cut it and make it fit, so I will have to pay more for it and work more for it too. So honestly, I don't want to go with that option, but if you think it will look a lot better than the Nismo, I will do it. The good thing about the Nismo is super less expensive, and it's from Nissan, so it comes like it will fit, so it won't be a problem to put it in here. But another thing, I bought the amuse wing, so you have to think if it's gonna look good with the oh my god if it's gonna look good with the Nismo bumpers with the amuse wing. You have to think about it, so think about it, let me know what you think, and then I will make a decision. I wanted to buy the Nismo bumpers today, but I'm gonna wait till you guys come in and watch the video and tell me what you think about it, because I wanna do this quick. Like I have had this car for like, I don't know, like 2 months now, or maybe 1, I don't know. But I hate looking at it, and it's so stock. I have only done the exhaust to it, and it's not that crazy. So I want this car to look aggressive. I want to take it to car shows and stuff, and people to actually take pictures and like it. So that's my plan with this car. I'm buying some new wheels soon, but I want to change this bumper so bad. I hate this bumper. I hate it so much. So please tell me what should I get. So that's it for the video. I'll see you guys in the other video. I'm freezing out here. It's about to snow, so please, you know what to do. Like this video, subscribe, share with your friends, whatever, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.